Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to message without internet. So let's start the video. If you want to text someone,
BitChat is the app you can use without internet.
it's an app like WhatsApp. You can use it with Bluetooth. Right now, it's on testing phase, but soon it'll be available for everyone. You just have to connect with Bluetooth to someone you want to text, and then you can communicate without internet. To use BitChat, first download it from the official website or a trusted source and install it on your computer or device. Once installed, you can create a username without needing a phone number or email, which keeps your identity private. After that, you'll get a unique BitChat ID that you can share with friends to start chatting. The app works like regular chat apps, but all your messages are encrypted and stored securely using blockchain technology. You can also join public or private chat groups for larger discussions. In places where the internet is blocked, BitChat can work through peer-to-peer networks or local mesh systems if supported. This means you can still communicate even without a central internet connection. BitChat doesn't show ads or collect your data, so you can enjoy completely private and secure messaging. I hope this video was informational. Subscribe the channel for more videos,